In this video, you'll learn how to organize your notes and ideas using Notion AI. This guide will help you effectively categorize and maintain your notes, making your workflow more efficient. Begin by navigating to Notion in your web browser. Once you reach the Notion homepage, sign into your account using your credentials. After logging in, locate and open the notes page where you plan to organize your ideas. It is essential to ensure that Notion AI is enabled in your workspace settings. Before proceeding, prepare any rough notes or ideas you have for sorting. Having your content ready will facilitate the AI's processing capabilities. Next, select the text of your notes that you would like to organize. Highlight the relevant sections by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text. Once your notes are highlighted, look for the AI command option in the toolbar. This is typically represented by an icon or labeled as AI. Click on this command to prompt the AI to summarize your highlighted content. You can also ask the AI to categorize your ideas into sections based on the content. After the AI processes your notes, carefully review the suggestions it provides. If necessary, you can adjust the categories manually to better fit your organizational needs. After categorizing your ideas, create clear headings for each section of your notes. This can be done by inserting a heading block above each category in Notion. Once you've established your headings, move the relevant ideas into their corresponding sections. If you find any redundant notes, delete them to streamline your content. Maintaining a clean and logical structure is crucial for easy navigation in the future. You may also want to set a reminder to review your notes weekly for any necessary updates or adjustments. As you continue to use Notion AI for organizing your notes, keep in mind the importance of regularly refining your structure. This ongoing process can help you stay on top of your ideas and ensure that your notes remain useful, and consider incorporating additional features within Notion, such as tags or links to enhance your organizational system further. This will allow for quick access to your notes and create a more interconnected workflow. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next tutorial.